Series 2, Day 3. Breaking the Comparison Trap. Own your unique journey. Scrolling through social media can feel like a punch to the gut. Everyone's perfect lives flashing by, polished selfies, dream vacations, career wins, and suddenly, you feel behind. Less than. Not enough. I used to compare so much. I forgot to celebrate my own growth, my own healing, my own quiet strength. It's exhausting trying to measure your life against a highlight reel. And today, that stops. In this video, you're going to learn how to break free from the comparison trap. You'll learn how to protect your peace, not by pretending to be unaffected, but by shifting how you see your own life. You'll start to believe, really believe, that your unique path is enough. There is real value in this video, and I believe by the end of it, or maybe even halfway through, you'll feel it. Not just hear it, but feel it in your chest. Here's what didn't work: trying to catch up, trying to match someone else's pace, trying to make my life look like someone else's version of success. All it did was leave me drained, empty, insecure. What actually changed everything was learning to honor my own journey. I started practicing gratitude, not just as a routine, but as a mindset. Every small win, every quiet breakthrough, every moment I showed up for myself when no one was watching. That's when I started to heal. The next time you catch yourself comparing, pause, breathe, and ask yourself, is this helping me or hurting me? Simple question, powerful shift. Now try this. Write down 3 things you've overcome, or 3 strengths you often overlook in yourself, even if they feel small. Especially if they feel small. Set a boundary with your social media, not out of avoidance, but out of self-respect. If it starts to feel heavy, don't just scroll. Switch. Uplifting content only. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. And finally, remind yourself daily, joy and peace come when you stop trying to match someone else's timeline. Comparison steals your joy. Gratitude restores it. Your story? It's not meant to be copied. It's meant to be lived. I've been there, feeling invisible beside everyone's perfect photos and polished wins. But your value? It's not in those snapshots. It's in your quiet moments, your hard choices, your healing. That's what matters. If you're just joining now, this is day 3 of an ongoing 7-day journey. Dawn Team is Series 1, the Reset Week, a powerful 7-day reset that started it all. The playlist link is below. And follow along with this current series, 7 days to rebuild your self-worth and confidence. The full playlist is also linked so you don't miss a day. Every video builds on the last, so don't skip around, soak in every piece. If this message meant something to you today, share it with someone you care about. Someone who might be stuck in comparison too. Let them know they're not behind, they're becoming. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Daily Strategy and Motivation, so you never miss a reset like this. This space is for you. I've also linked my favorite gratitude journals and mindset tools below. Just resources that have personally helped me shift how I see my own journey. You don't need to catch up. You don't need to prove yourself through someone else's lens. Your path is valid. Your timeline is sacred. Your story is enough. Keep going. You're doing just fine.